Welcome back to our channel where we provide valuable teach tips to help you enhance your productivity. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of transforming a table into a chart in Microsoft Excel by converting your data into a visual representation. You can gain valuable insights and present information more effectively. Let's get started. Prepare your data table. Ensure that your data is organized in a table format within Excel. Each column should represent a different category, and each row should contain the corresponding data points. And it's essential to have clear headings for each column. Click and drag to select the table. Make sure you've captured all the necessary data for your chart. At the top of the Excel window, locate the Insert tab. Click on it to access the various chart types available in Excel. In the chart group, you'll find a variety of chart types to choose from, such as column charts, bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and more. Select the chart type that best represents your data and suits your visualization needs. So when you've selected the desired chart type, click on it to insert it into your Excel worksheet. Excel will automatically generate a basic chart based on the selected data range. And so you can change the type chart here. For example, this one. I want to choose this one. Click here, and if you want to change or delete chart title, and uncheck this guideline also. Click here to delete also this one. Delete, as you can see here. Right click here and go to add data labels. As you can see, then click on change chart types here. For example, this one, and this one. So when I change here, for example, okay, as you can see, all change automatically. Congratulations, you have successfully transformed the table into a chart in Excel, allowing you to visualize and analyze your data more effectively. Remember, charts can be a powerful tool for conveying information and making data-driven decisions. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and may your charting skills take your data analysis to the next level.